Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to send Microsoft Word file in Messenger. So first, go to File and save your document. Click on Save As, then select a location. Let's save it in the desktop. Change the name and choose the file format. Then click on Save. The first option is to go to your web browser. Is to open your web browser and go to messenger.com. Then open the conversation where you want to send your document. Then click on the picture icon and select your document. Then click on open. Then hit the enter icon. Or you can go to the file location and drag the file and drop it in Messenger, then hit the send icon. Now the second option is to click on the search bar and search for Messenger. Then open the conversation and click on the plus icon. Select Add Attachments. Then select your document. And click Open. Then click the send icon. Or you can go to the file location and drag the file or the Microsoft Word document to the conversation and hit the send icon. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.